Welcome to Ask the Expert, brought to you by the Quinton Insurance Protection Team. Get your free no obligation quote now at quintoninsurance.com or call 1 800 454 1970. I'm Rick Quinton and pleased to be joined by the president of Quinton Insurance, Gordon Quinton, who is here to answer your questions relating to insurance. Our next question is from Jackie in Pittsford, New York, who's renting an apartment, and she says her landlord is demanding she take out rental insurance. Is that something new?
Well, you know what? What a lot of tenants don't realize is that, let's say, for example, you move into an apartment complex and you get all your stuff in there and everything like that. And God forbid the person upstairs leaves the sink running and it overflows. And lo and behold, you come home and the whole ceiling's caved in and everything in your apartment's now flooded and ruined. Naturally, the thought is, well, I'm renting the apartment. The landlord's responsible for replacing all my stuff, right?
Wrong.
But common sense would think, hey, I'm paying these people rent. They're responsible for protecting my belongings. But that's not the case. And that's what, the landlord, when they're talking about, people getting renters insurance, they're really doing it to try and protect the consumer in the event that something like this happens. It's out of their control. I tell people, look, that's part one. And then part two is, you leave and you go out for a couple hours, you come back, something happens and all of a sudden the building's on fire. Well, if you don't have renter's insurance, after that claim gets settled, that insurance company has the ability to go back and sue you for negligence because you left those lights on or you left your stove on or whatever and recover. So I tell people, look, renter's insurance is so cheap. It's under $10 a month. You can buy yourself a policy, to protect all your personal stuff if something happens or somebody, breaks in, and two, protects you in case you're negligent and you cause a fire in the building.
If you have an insurance question you want answered, email Gordon at quintoninsurance.com. That's QUINTON insurance.com. And it just might be featured on a future edition of Ask the Expert, presented by the Quinton Insurance Protection Team. Get your free no obligation quote now at quintoninsurance.com or call 1 800 454 1970. For Gordon, I'm Rick. We'll talk to you next time.